Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Gino Marchese, and today we're going to be doing a sauce tasting test. Woo! Woo! Okay, now back to the video. Okay, so you know where I found all these sauces? I'll show you. My wonderful refrigerator. Boom! Okay, so I found these sauces in my fridge. Ooh, look at that here. Ooh, 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 don't ignore that. Okay. So anyway, I found these all in my fridge, and we're gonna go ahead and taste these. Some of them might be expired. Some of them might be really old. Which I guess goes with expired. Good job, Gino. Goodbye. Also, some of them might be really gross, really good, maybe not good on their own. You know, most condiments and sauces aren't. So, yeah. Also, if you guys didn't know, guess where you're being filmed. Guess where the camera is right now. Where I'm being filmed from. The camera is in the cabinet. Look, I'm tall for once, guys. Yeah. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Okay, guys, the next sauce, or the first sauce that I'm going to be trying is called Deli Mustard. Okay. Okay. This expired like a year ago. Oops. It smells gross. Okay, I'm just gonna try a little bit. Okay, so it's not like that bad. It's just like it probably wouldn't be good on its own. I'm gonna give this Deli Mustard, this is not sponsored, I'm gonna give this Deli Mustard a 5 out of 10, but better with other things. Okay. So, yeah. The next thing we're gonna be trying is this La Victoria, since 1917, red taco sauce. I don't know how long this has been in my fridge either. The date is like rubbed off it, so maybe that's a good sign. I don't know, man. Guys, why do you make me do this? Okay, I'm just gonna try a little bit, because also it's like 11 at night, and I don't know what I'm still doing up, but you know. Come out! That's what she said. Okay. Whoa. Whoa! Whoa! What the heck? Okay, kind of just like taste like. Ew, that's freaking gross. Okay, if you've ever been to like a Mexican candy store and gotten those like chili sucker chicken things, yeah, it kind of tastes like that. I guess okay. I'm gonna give the La Victoria red taco sauce, medium heat, I think, a 5 out of 10. No, 6 out of 10. Yeah. The next one we're going to be trying, I feel like a game show, like one of those ladies, she's like, whew. Okay, so anyway, the next one we're going to be trying is La Victoria red taco sauce, but the last one was medium, this one's mild. So, let's try that. Oh, this one probably expired a long time ago too. Whatever. Oh, my stomach hurts. Okay. Girl. It kind of tastes the same, but not as sweet. I give the La Victoria red taco sauce mild a 6 out of 10, I guess. 6.5 out of 10. The next one we're going to be trying is Tabasco. I'm just kidding. Tabasco. Oh, I can smell it. Okay, pretty sure everybody's had Tabasco. Okay, I'm pretty sure everybody's had Tabasco. Read this. Okay, pretty sure everybody's had Tabasco. It's pretty good. I mean, it's better on things, but you know, let's just try it right here. I don't think that one's good anymore. It tastes weird. Okay. What the heck? Guys, that one just, it's not really spicy, it just tastes weird. Okay, it just tastes weird. The Tabasco pepper sauce. Ew. Ugh. I'm rating like 6.5 out of 10 because it's better on things, I guess. This is not going well for me, guys. Okay, guys, what the heck? Okay, and I like spicy things, and that wasn't even really spicy, it just like, it was weird, and I think it's expired. Okay, this is, nobody literally ever eats sauces in my family. Oh, great, this one expired too. 3 months ago. It's Dijon Mustard. I don't even like Dijon Mustard or anything that's not regular mustard. But let's try it. Guys, if I get sick because of you. Oh, forgot to shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Snora. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, I think we're good. Shake time's over. Ew, it's disgusting. Okay. I like the Dijon mustard and like the, you know, like when you have the weird mustards and stuff, like it just tastes like horseradish, and I don't really like horseradish, so it's really kind of gross. So I give the Dijon mustard, like, it's okay if it's in things and you can sort of taste it, but anyway, I give the like all of these things like better in things. I give the Dijon mustard a 5 out of 10. No, 5.5 out of 10. No, I'm not like saying when I'm rating these, it's not like they're bad. It's just like, I don't personally like them like by themselves. Okay guys, so the next one we're going to be trying is just regular traditional yellow mustard. Hey, it's fat free, so you know, you can get that chop chop. Can't see it. Ooh. I'm just kidding. Well, not about the 6-pack. I'm just kidding. Okay. Sorry, I'll stop being weird. Anyway, okay. Now that's shaky, shaky. Shake it, shake it up, shake it, shake it up. This one actually isn't expired. Okay, let's try it. So it's not that bad, just like the aftertaste. Like this is probably the best one because like it's mustard. It's not that bad. I mean, it's just not really great alone. I'd probably give this one like 8 out of 10 if you had to eat it alone. Ooh, condiments alone. Oh, I ate the rest of that. But. Okay. That one, what did I say that one was? 8 out of 10, I think. Yeah, whatever I said it was. Yeah. Okay, the next one we're going to be trying is this Avocado Goddess dressing and dip. Oh, sounds like me. Okay, you're welcome. Get out of the way. Stay. Stay. Okay. Well, that's not gonna stay, so. Stay. Stay! Thank you. So when you're trying this, I think it's just like a ranch and Caesar. It's kind of like a ranch and Caesar, but avocado. So That was a lot. Okay, I don't want that much. Okay. What the heck? Okay. That's actually really freaking good. It tastes like a... Apparently it's supposed to be better for you, I think, too, or something. So it tastes like a Caesared. Okay, so back to what I was saying, because, like, my phone was stupid. Or my camera was stupid and stuff. Ooh. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Damn. Okay, whatever. Okay, back to this. So it's like kind of like a Caesar and ranch and avocado. Like you can't really taste the avocado at all. It's just tastes like Caesar kind of, but it's like green stuff. It's like green, I guess. It just dripped on my finger. Okay. Yeah, on to the next one, guys. Okay. Do I look happy about this one? Not really. Yeah, I don't really know what to say. It's mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. It is mayonnaise. Okay, we're gonna try it. It's not really good alone. We're gonna try it. Okay, it's all about. Hey guys, so my I forgot to do an outro to this vlog. So as I'm editing, I'm doing this. Hair looks so great, you know, right? Just amazing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and everything. And I just want you all to stay positive. See ya.